Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the process I go through to make my labels oil-proof. And not only are my labels oil-proof, they are also waterproof and they're glossy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have on a mask. Here's my mask. If you haven't already, go check out my video on how to make your own, either a children's mask or an adult mask. And I'll link it in the iCards above. If it gets loud, you guys, I am outside, so please just bear with me. So these labels I already have cut out. And let me focus. Okay, so I already cut these labels out, and what I'm going to do is actually show you how I make them glossy, because the paper, which you'll see in another clip, or I may end up re-recording that clip, but the paper is already oil-proof and waterproof itself, but this process is just how you make it glossy. So I grab a grocery bag, a regular grocery bag. I'm pretty sure you have them in your cabinet. And then this is what I use to make them glossy. All links to all the products I use will be found in the description box. So like I said, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your mask on, then give your can a shake. And let me just show you, this is the before they were oil-proof. And this is after I made them oil-proof. And let me let it focus. And both of these are just testers, so this is not the final product of what my labels actually look like. These are just testers. You can really see the difference though on how this one is not so oil-proof and this one is. So shake your can up. And you don't want to be too close. You just want to be about this distance away from the label. And then we're going to spray it horizontally. And then we'll spray it vertically. And this stuff is strong, so please make sure you have on some type of mask or something over your nose. So now we'll do the same thing to this one. Make sure you do it horizontally first and then vertically. And actually, instead of using a clip that I recorded before this one, I will actually bring the labels out here and explain to you guys which labels I use for which and how much they cost. Okay, so before I show you guys which labels actually work, I'm actually going to show you which ones I use to begin with. So these are the labels I used at first. I know y'all probably thinking, why are you showing me something that didn't work? But I still use them. I just don't use them for product labels. I use them for shipping labels. And so it's from onlinelabels.com. If you have an online business, I will suggest these for shipping labels only. I use these waterproof labels from Crinkly, and I purchased both of these off of Amazon. These were $17.90 for 100 sheets, and these were $14.99 for 5 sheets. So you will get more when you purchase the ones from onlinelabels.com, and you will get less when you purchase the ones from Crinkly. But the ones from Crinkly actually work. They actually are waterproof and oil-proof. So each sheet of paper is about the size of each label paper is about the size of a regular sheet of paper. And typically when I'm making labels, I get about 4 to 5 off of each sheet of paper. So actually, while I let the labels dry, I'm going to see if I can remove this one and then clean this one off with alcohol. And I did put E6000 on this one. Or is it called E3000? Whatever it's called, I did put that on this one, so that's why it was kind of uneven and not as smooth as I wanted it to be, and that's why I'm taking it off. Y'all, these bugs out here biting me. Okay, since I keep getting big and I haven't even been out here for that long, I'm actually going to clean this one off and I'll finish cleaning that one off in the house. So this one could actually use a little bit more spray around the edges, so I'm going to do that and let it dry for about 3 more minutes. And I also got something on that one, so I'm actually going to use that one instead. So now that the labels are dry, I'm going to clean the labels off. I'm going to clean the bottles off again, and then I will apply them. Y'all, these flies. And I don't know if I showed you guys in my previous clip, but it's 91% alcohol. So all you do is just peel it off like a sticker. After you peel it off like a sticker, you're going to apply it. And your eye will be the best judgment for this. I don't really use a fancy ruler or anything. But as you can see from this placement, it's kind of too much left out right here, so I'm going to bring it down some. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, it's too much space right here, so I'm going to bring it down some. And this is uneven, so it will take a little time, but it'll get there. It also helps if they're cut even, and this was cut with the Cricut, so I know it's just me and it's not how the labels are cut. This is about as good as it's gonna get. So it's not real even, but it's not too crooked either. I would feel comfortable sanding this out. I wouldn't have a problem. But as you can see, that concludes me showing you this method of how to turn this into this. This video is basically me just sharing what I use. If you would like a detailed video and how I actually create the labels and how I cut them out, that would be a separate video, and leave a comment below if you guys are interested so I can know if make it sooner. But as always, don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower. Also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Get 'cause I'ma get mine today. I'm sure.